Unbelievably satisfying factory machines operating at full power. Part 5. Have you ever stood in front of a production line running at full power and felt chills down your spine? Not from fear, but from that strange, electrifying thrill when every movement hits a level of precision that feels almost perfect? These factory machines, massive steel giants, work with a rhythm that never slips. Air cylinders firing with a sharp shh, gears spinning like a mechanical soundtrack, metal surfaces reflecting that cold, mesmerizing industrial glow. They're not just making products, they're creating a feeling so satisfying you can't look away. You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? Those factory machines compilation videos where metal bars get sliced clean like butter, where industrial presses slam down with enough force to crush anything, yet land with millimeter-perfect accuracy, where automation technologies, smart tools, and automation systems move like they share a single mind. There's something so American, so bold, so engineering documentary about watching industrial machines in motion. Fast, powerful, clean, decisive. It's like standing inside a smart factory, where every sensor, every conveyor, every robotic arm merges into one giant mechanical symphony. You look at it and instantly understand. This isn't just production, this is art. And today, we're stepping straight into that world. A world where heavy machinery runs at absolute full power, where the production line flows like an endless river, where high-efficiency machines prove what humanity has chased for centuries: perfect precision. If you love the satisfying rhythm of machines at work, the raw strength of technology, and the limitless creativity of engineering, then hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because what's coming next will keep your eyes glued to the screen. When modern factory machines fire up, we're not just watching metal move. We're witnessing the peak of human engineering, where math, physics, automation, and human intelligence merge into something almost superhuman. Let's start with something simple: a single spinning gear. Every revolution isn't just motion. It's the result of thousands of hours of design, testing, optimization, and simulation. The tooth angle, friction load, material hardness, transmission speed, everything calculated so precisely that there's no room left for error. These gears don't just spin to make a machine run. They spin to uphold the accuracy of an entire mechanical ecosystem. And when you step into the heavy machinery zone, that power gets amplified hundreds of times. A single push from a hydraulic press can unleash tons of force, enough to flatten a thick block of metal in seconds. But what leaves you stunned isn't the power, it's the precision behind that power. Edges straight like a laser cut, press marks so clean they barely need finishing. That's engineering at full strength and full perfection. Then you reach the automation technology, the automation systems, the electronic brain of the entire factory. Sensors tracking every millimeter of movement, controllers calculating thousands of parameters in a split second, industrial robots twisting their wrists, picking, rotating, welding, assembling with speeds no human hands could ever match, yet with a softness that feels almost unreal. That's when you realize speed isn't brutality. Automation isn't soulless. It's science fused with finesse. Inside a smart factory, everything is connected. The production line knows when to accelerate. Machines know when to reduce load. Systems know when to schedule maintenance before a failure ever appears. Efficiency isn't just a number on paper anymore. It becomes a living flow of data, energy, and motion. And the most magical part of these powerful industrial machines isn't the cold steel exterior. It's the way they help humans surpass the limits of muscle, speed, and fatigue. Thanks to them, we can focus on what we do best: designing, creating, controlling, and improving. These machines, from high-speed metal cutters to massive casting systems to fully automated assembly lines, all carry the same message. Power only matters when it's controlled. Efficiency only matters when it serves the future. And that's what makes manufacturing technology not just satisfying, but worth admiring. Behind every automated line, every industrial robot, every machine operating with flawless precision, there's something we often forget. Humans are the soul of technology. Because before any machine is switched on for the first time, there were engineers who spent years perfecting the blueprint, checking every detail, calculating every stress point. And there were operators who stood beside those machines for hundreds of hours, listening to the tiniest vibrations to understand exactly what was happening. There were creators who dared to ask, can we make this faster, more precise, safer? And the moment they asked those questions, that was the moment a new machine began to take shape. Powerful machine videos impress us because they're insanely satisfying. But what truly inspires us is the human effort behind them. Humans turn lifeless steel into motion, turn data into decisions, turn factories into places where the future is made. There's a saying in engineering, perfection is never luck. It's the result of a system. And that system is built by the hands, minds, and hearts of engineers, people who refuse to ignore even the smallest error. The machinist who knows exactly how much torque each bolt needs. The robot programmer who understands how a millisecond of delay can throw everything off. The line supervisor who can spot a problem just by watching the rhythm of a machine. Those skills don't come from textbooks, they come from experience, grit, and the sweat of standing in a factory hotter than 40 degrees, where the sound of machines never stops. Factory machines, industrial machines, smart tools, automation systems, they only shine because there are people behind them. Not to control every step, but to refine, optimize, upgrade, and push the limits further. And that is the greatest lesson of modern manufacturing. Technology doesn't replace humans. It amplifies the greatness within us. Because even if robots can weld more precisely, CNC machines can cut more cleanly, and smart production lines can process data faster, only humans can imagine a different future. Only humans can look at a machine running at full power and say, we can make this even better. And that desire, that relentless spirit, is what turned modern industry into a journey of endless creativity. Imagine standing in the middle of a factory running at maximum output. Not watching through a screen, but actually being there, surrounded by the roar of engines, the flash of steel, and the mechanical rhythm pounding like a giant metal heartbeat. You see conveyors sliding products past you in seconds, each one finished so perfectly there's not a single excess cut, not a single misalignment. You see robots twisting their wrists, metal arms snapping into position, every movement so fast it almost blurs. You feel the heat from the casting machines, the oil scent from the CNC lathe, the razor-sharp scream of high-speed cutters, all blending into what every engineering fan calls the music of manufacturing. And then you realize there's something undeniably beautiful in all that power. Not a poetic beauty, but the beauty of logic, of order, of raw strength disciplined by human intelligence. In that moment, you understand why satisfying machines videos, factory machines compilations, industrial processes, and machine work clips are so addictive. Because they remind us that in a chaotic world, there are still places where everything runs perfectly, precisely, efficiently, beautifully, almost impossibly so. But don't get it twisted. That perfection doesn't appear out of thin air. It comes from thousands of hours of design, testing, mistakes, adjustments. It comes from the people behind every machine, the engineers, technicians, operators, programmers, each contributing a piece to this industrial symphony. And that's why when we admire high-efficiency machines, smart factory production lines, or automation technology running smoother than logic should allow, we're not just watching machinery. We're watching human dreams forged into steel and electronics. Technology gives us power, but humans give technology purpose. When a machine operates with absolute precision, that's the mark of human intelligence. When a production line is optimized down to the second, That's the stamp of human perseverance. When a robot performs tasks once thought impossible, that's a victory of human creativity. And when all of that merges together, we see the future of manufacturing. A future stronger, smarter, faster, yet still carrying the heartbeat of the people who created it. So, if you love that satisfying rush of watching machines in motion, if you want to dive deeper into engineering, automation, manufacturing, and industrial technology, don't just watch and scroll. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss another journey into this world of powerful machines. Because you and I, we're not just watching machines work, we're feeling them, learning from them, letting them inspire the future we're building every day. And in the end, remember one thing: machines don't build the future, people do.